Hello, do you want to add captions like this to your videos? Whether it is a TikTok video or Instagram Reels video or YouTube Shorts video or any other video. So in this video, I'll show you how you can add captions like this only in 5 minutes using this tool called CapCut. So let's jump into CapCut now. So this is the dashboard of CapCut. So to add captions like these to your videos, first you need to import that video file into CapCut. So for that, you're going to go to this import option. Then wherever your video is located, you can go to that folder and then import that file into CapCut. So as you can see, this is the file, this is the video in which I will be adding that caption that I showed you earlier. So first, let me play this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions like this to your TikTok videos or any other YouTube videos or Instagram Reel videos to increase the engagement and to get more views and more sales eventually. These type of captions can be added with the tool called CapCut. So I will show you in this tutorial how you can add captions like this. So first I will take this video and drag it to this area. So this video is now ready to be edited. So first what I'll do, I'll go to this text option, and then from here you will see an auto captions option. So you're going to click on this auto captions, and from here you can select the language which you have spoken in the video. So I will select English from here, and then I will click on create. So it will automatically generate subtitles for me according to the video. Whatever I have talked in the video, it will give me the subtitles and captions for this. So as you can see, it has given me these captions and subtitles. Let me increase the size so that you can see the captions of let's say this is the first one. Let me just zoom in. Then from here, if you go to text, you can, if you increase the font size. So if I fix the playhead here, so as you can see, it has added some subtitles and captions for me to this video. Now these captions are not looking that great that I've showed you earlier. These are looking ugly. So I will go back from here. So first thing that I'll do is I will select all the captions from here. So you can select each and every one, so you don't need to edit them again and again. So first what I'll do, I'll decrease the font size from here for now, and I will place the playhead here so I can see anytime how my captions are looking like. So first I'll go to captions, and I will break each and every sentence into different words. For example, I will give an enter here, so it will be broken into one word only, in. Then here also I will give an enter. So in this video, these will be 3 different captions in these 3 different frames. So I will do to this whole script now. So let me jump cut the video to the point where it will be completed. So as you can see, I have broken the captions into one word. For example, if I play this, so at a time only one word will be shown on the screen. And make sure you select this font. Let's select this font and make sure you check all the spellings and correct the spelling mistakes. For example, here this should be Instagram Reels instead of reading. So you can change all the spellings by yourself manually. Then next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this text option, and then from here only this text is selected Reels. So I will select the whole text again, whole caption again. Then from here I will change the font. So I'll select this font, Avid Next. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Then I will increase or decrease the font size from here. So I will keep it to, let's say, 30. Then I'll bold the fonts from here. Then I'll change the color as well. I will keep it to yellow, I think, but let's select this one directly, this preset style, so it will give automatically the yellow color will be given to the text. And then from here you can increase or decrease the spacing between characters and line, but we have only one character here, so no need to do this. And then from here keep it to center, make sure, and then from here you can change its position and its size as well. So I will keep it to 100%. Then keep the opacity to 100% as well. Then the stroke, you can change the color of the stroke as well, but the black color was looking much better, I think, so I will keep it to black. Then I will not select any background or shadow for this text. So as you can see, all the whole caption is now edited. So now we will add the animation for these captions. So you're gonna go to this captions, make sure whole caption is selected from here, and then the animation I personally like is this spring. But right now this animation cannot be added because as you can see this message is popped up for us that the clip is too short to add animation. So if your clip is long enough, so you can add animations to your captions, but I cannot add captions because my video is only of 24 seconds long, 20 seconds long. So you can select this animation, spring animation, remember this. So now our caption is ready. So let's play our video. Let's keep this playhead to the beginning and let's play. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add captions like this to your TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions like this to your TikTok videos or any other YouTube videos or Instagram Reel videos to increase the engagement and to get more views and more sales eventually. These type of captions can be added with the tool called CapCut. So I will show you in this tutorial how you can add captions like this. So as you can see, the captions are looking much better now and it is looking awesome. So this can help you to increase the engagement to your videos and get more views eventually. So to export this video, you're going to click on this export button, so that video will be exported. So now I will jump cut to the part where it will be completed 100%. Here now I will show you how the video looks like. So here is the video after adding the captions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions like this to your TikTok videos or any other YouTube videos or Instagram Reel videos to increase the engagement and to get more views and more sales eventually. These type of captions can be added with the tool called CapCut. So I will show you in this tutorial how you can add. So as you can see, our video is looking awesome now. So you can post this video. It is now ready to be posted on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram Reels. So if you got any value up to this video, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you and goodbye.